Assalamualaikum. I am Ms. Kubra Saeed, subject teacher of your wards. Hope you all are fine. Students, now come to the point. I had given you book work of English B. Hope you all are complete your previous work. Let's start the next word in English B, copy. Now students, take out your pencil, scale and English B copy. Now students, take out your pencil, scale and English B copy. Now students, open your English B copy. Okay, first we make a title page of month of June. Okay students, let's start the making of title page. What is the spelling of month? Yes, M-O-N-T-H, month. Very good. Of, O-F, of June, J-U-N-E, June. Very good. Now student, we start our first work. Mention date here. Okay, we start singular plural. Before we start in singular plural, we draw a straight margin center of the page. Straight margin, neat and clean center of the page. Okay, I write the heading of singular S I N G U L A R, singular. Singular means any one thing, कोई भी एक चीज. Okay, plural. P L U R A L, plural. Plural means one and more things, एक से ज़्यादा चीज़ें. Okay students, turn the next page. Next work we have words opposites. Words opposites. Similarly, draw a straight margin in the center of the page. Neat and clean margin. Okay. We write the heading word W O R and opposites O double P O S I T E, opposites. Opposite mean a word that expresses a meaning opposed to the meaning of another word. वो अल्फाज जो दूसरे अल्फाज के ज़िद हो. Let's start the words opposite. Number one word we have long. L O N G, long. Long meaning bada. Opposite of long is short. S H O R T, short. Short meaning छोटा. बड़ा, long, बड़ा, short, छोटा. Okay. Students, next word we have black. B L A C K, black. Black meanings kala. Opposite of black is white. W H I T E, white. White meanings सफ़ेद. Opposite of black is white. Okay. Next word we have happy. H A double P Y, happy. What is the opposite of happy? The opposite of happy is sad. S A D, sad. Very good. Happy meanings खुश, sad meaning उदास. Fourth word we have fat. F-A-T, fat. Fat meaning mota. Opposite of fat is slim. S-L. Of fat is slim. S-L-I-M. Slim. Slim meaning patla. Fat, mota, slim, patla. Fifth and last word we have thick. T-H-I-C-K. Thick. Opposite of thick is thin. T-H-I-N. Thin. Word is thick. Opposite is thin. Okay. Now, join the next page. Next word we have masculine, feminine. Similarly, draw a straight margin and the center of the page, straight margin. Heading, first heading masculine. M A S C U L I N E. Masculine. Masculine, a word expresses a male version. Next, feminine. F E M I N I N E. Feminine. Feminine word expresses a female version. Okay, start the masculine, feminine. First masculine we have boy. B-O-Y. Boy. Boy meaning ladka. Students, what is the feminine of boy? Ye, girl. Masculine of boy. Feminine of boy is girl. G-I-R-L. Girl. Girl means ladki. Next masculine we have number 2, father. F-A-T-H-E-R. Father. Father means Abbu. Feminine of father is mother. Father means Abbu. Feminine of father is mother. M-O-T-H-E-R. Mother. Ammi. Father, mother. Number third masculine we have cow. C-O-W. Cow. The feminine of cow is buffalo. Yes, buffalo. B-U-F-F-A-L-O. Buffalo. Yes. Fourth masculine we have horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. What is the feminine of horse, students? Yes, the feminine of horse is mare. M-A-R-E. Mare. Horse is a masculine and mare is a feminine. Fifth masculine we have man. M-A-N. Man. Mard. Okay, man means mard. The feminine of the man is woman. W-O-M-E-N. Woman. Woman means aurat. Man is the masculine, and woman is the feminine. Okay? Okay, now students, turn the page. Next word we have translation. I write the heading translation. T R A N A N S L A T I O N. Translation. You know the meanings of translation? No? Okay. Translation means the process of translating words or text from one language into another. Okay? इसका मतलब ट्रांसलेशन जो मीन्स है उसमें हम लोग किसी भी लैंग्वेज को किसी और लैंग्वेज में ट्रांसलेट करते हैं. इस ट्रांसलेशन में हम लोग उर्दू सेंटेंसेस को इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में ट्रांसलेट करेंगे. ओके? तो सबसे पहले हम लोग अपना उर्दू सेंटेंस लिखेंगे. बिफोर यू स्टार्टिंग ट्रांसलेशन यू ड्रॉ अ स्ट्रेट मार्जिन साइड ऑफ द पेज. Draw a straight margin side of the page like this. Okay. I write the first Urdu sentence is मेरी किताब. मेरी किताब. What is the translation of मेरी किताब? English sentence of मेरी किताब is my book. Yes, my book. M Y my book. B O O K book. मेरी किताब. English sentence is my book. Second Urdu sentence we have मेरी गाड़ी. मेरी गाड़ी. What is the English sentence of मेरी गाड़ी? Yes, is this my car? M-Y, my. C-A-R, car. My car. Urdu sentence is मेरी गाड़ी and English is my car. Okay. Third would have तुम्हारा खिलौना. तुम्हारा खिलौना. What is the English sentence of तुम्हारा खिलौना? Is your toy. Your toy. Y-O-U-R. Your toy. T-O-Y. Toy. तुम्हारा खिलौना. English sentence is your toy. Okay. Next Urdu sentence we have तुम्हारा जूता. तुम्हारा जूता. Okay. What is the English sentence of तुम्हारा जूता? Is your shoe. Your shoe. Y-O-U-R. Your shoe. S-H-O-E. Shoe. Your shoe. Fifth sentence. Now turn the page. Draw a margin. Yes, like this. Okay. Fifth and last Urdu sentence we have ये मेरी बिल्ली है. ये मेरी बिल्ली है. English sentence is it is my cat. I-T-A-I-S M-Y my C-A-T cat. It is my cat. उर्दू sentences, ये मेरी बिल्ली है. It is my cat. Students, turn the next page. Next work we have write a essay 5 lines on myself. Heading is myself. M Y myself. S E L F. myself. अपने बारे में आपको ऐसे लिखना है यहाँ पे. Okay. Write the heading myself in the center of the page. Okay. So I start the essay. First line. My. First sentence is my name. My name. 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 Name is students, I draw here a blank. You put your name in this blank. Okay. Second sentence. Come to the second sentence. Second sentence is I study. STUDY. Study in class 1. I study in class 1. Yes. Now come to the third sentence. Third sentence is I like. LIKE like to PO2 play. PLAY play. Cricket. CRICKET cricket. I like to play cricket. Now come to the fourth sentence. I like. like red color. RED red color. COLOR color. To the fifth and last sentence. I like. like to eat. eat delicious. DELISIOUS food. FOOD food. I like to eat delicious food. We have completed our work. Now students, your today work is complete. Now it's your turn to do your work neatly and submit your work on time. And students must do their homework by their own self. Parents just help them not to write in copy. Okay, stay safe, stay home.